Hey guys, Stephanie here. So I have a project share for you. I normally don't do project shares. I prefer to do tutorials and, make the stuff and show it to you as opposed to talking about it for, however long. But I've been kind of busy, so I figure I'll just share this with you real quick and, let you know what I've been working on. And at some point I probably will, do a quick tutorial on this because I think it's kind of fun. And it just gives people some ideas, you know what I mean? As opposed to, it may not be anything new that you've seen, but it's maybe a nice refresher or reminder to either make you try something new or, to revisit something that you made in the past. Now, I came up with this idea because I literally had a dream, a weird dream, because I have weird dreams all the time, like most people, that I made this, and I literally woke up the next day and I made it. Okay, what I made was these little fences. Isn't it the cutest thing you've ever seen? Look at that. These will be like embellishments, okay? These will be great for, like, what do you call it? Paper crafting. These will be great for fairy gardens, doll houses, and all kinds of things. So what I did was, I'll just share with you real quick. I was at Hobby Lobby wandering around, and I saw these fences, and I thought, oh, I had a dream about that. So I bought this fencing, and it was like $2.99 for the package, and you get like 3 rows in here, and it comes also in white. This color, this is white, and then this is like the natural color. And I bought that, and then they had the flowers that were on sale, some of the flowers. And this is the Dollar Tree, some Dollar Tree flowers. And then this is the garland that I got in the His and Hers wedding section at Hobby Lobby that was 50% off. So I, sat here one day and I just started working with it, and this is what I came up with. I think they're so beautiful. Look at that, the kind of shabby chic look to the fence. Like, you can just sit it up against a card. You can put it, against a dollhouse in a fairy garden. Like if you had a, little fairy garden, put 2 little fences on there. So I made a bunch of different ones because I got obsessed with making them. And then I added these butterflies, which I also got at Hobby Lobby. Really pretty butterflies. So I just kind of wrapped the garland around the fence and glued it on there and came up with that. Look at this pretty. Now I got these flowers at Tuesday Morning. These little ones. And I got this from the dollar store, I believe. So yeah, this is the natural color fencing. Isn't this beautiful? So I made so many of them. I got a little obsessed with making them because they came out so pretty. And they're easy to make, but yet not real easy to make. You know what I mean? Like this one's kind of, I might have to redo that. But yeah, see what I mean? Like your flowers should probably stand up a little bit more, but I think that's so pretty. These little shabby chic flowers, I got these at Tuesday Morning. But all the fencing, the butterflies, and the garland I got at Hobby Lobby on sale. And I used a coupon for the fencing. So I bought one day and one the next day, So I came up with these. These are so pretty. They just make me smile, y'all. Look at this. These are some of the, all this stuff came from Hobby Lobby. The flowers, the fencing, everything. This is gorgeous. And this is what the back looked like. Yeah. Really pretty. I'm so excited I made these. Gorgeous. I'm singing now. And all these little flowers are also from the dollar store, I believe. I also got some floral stuff from Joann's, but I'm not sure if I used any. I might have used some, or I may have used these from Joann's. But yeah, these flowers are from Tuesday Morning. Okay. So that's really beautiful. Isn't that pretty? Gosh, look at the back. Look at the back. Yep. And then I got this one. Okay, so some of these will be going into maybe some swaps, and some will be going in my Etsy shop. I'm not really sure yet, so stay tuned for that. Yeah, they're so gorgeous. I think people would want to, get their hands on these. If they can't make them, they at least want to, purchase them or something. So some of them will be going in the Etsy shop, and some will be going in like friend mail or happy mail and things like that. Now, I actually had a dream, another dream. It's kind of the same dream that I made, the fencing, but I also made these too. This is like what I would call my mermaid, my beached mermaid. Isn't this gorgeous? This whole little scene I made on this fence. These are the little knickknacks that you get at Hobby Lobby. Okay, these are some shells, some seashells I got in the dollar store. This, I believe I got from the dollar store. The garland is from Hobby Lobby, and the fencing is from Hobby Lobby. And the netting is from, I think I originally bought this netting at Joann's a long time ago. And it was like, wasn't on sale, but I think I used a coupon because you get a whole lot of it. So I just cut it up and put it on this little scene. These are definitely going to the Etsy shop because they're so gorgeous. Like, you would have to put this on something. You know what I mean? Look at this. My beach mermaid. Not real easy to make, but oh, so fabulous. That's my wonderful little project share. Isn't this gorgeous? I just love these. Let's just look at one at a time here. Isn't this gorgeous? The whole little scene, my beach mermaid. Oh, I just fell in love with those. I don't think I've ever seen anything quite like this. I mean, maybe, but I can tell you I've never made anything quite this fabulous. And I make some pretty cute stuff, but this is probably some of the most fabulous things I've ever made. Okay, so that's that. And then I just made some really pretty clothespins. I've made some in the past, different ones. So these are really pretty. I used some paper. This is the paper that I used was from the Love Story from Prima. And I used some of the pink little flowers you get trim from Hobby Lobby. And these are Tuesday morning flowers. These two. And then this one is a Prima flower from Hobby Lobby. And I think I got these clothespins at Target, if I'm not mistaken. So yeah, I think these are so pretty. These are kind of the bigger, a little bit bigger clothespins. So yeah, do them like that. So you can clip them on stuff. Aren't these gorgeous? So pretty. So yeah, love that. Those are my little clothespins that I made. Gorgeous. Got that one. Painstakingly put, you know, the leaves on there and all this stuff here, you know. Gorgeous. Look at that. Gorgeous. I love this one. This with the gold on this, like my favorite. Got these little strings everywhere. Yeah, this is my favorite with the gold on there. I thought that was hot. Right? Beautiful. I mean, I put the paper on there. You can't even see it, but I don't know. It kind of peeks through. It adds a little something to it. And then, see, I made these three as well, and I have some other ones that I'm working on. You know, you can only work on so many things at once. So, yeah, these are kind of the simpler ones. Like the paper is really pretty. So, yeah. So, you can do that. You know, clip them on stuff and things like that. So, yeah, really cute. And this one's kind of pretty. Yeah. So, you see that? Yeah, very pretty. Okay. Now, those are for my clothespins. Now, I have made some rosettes. I had never made rosettes before. And to be quite honest with y'all, I didn't know what I was doing. But I thought, well, I'll sit here and figure it out the hard way. And I did mess up a few, but these are the cupcake liners. Okay, this pink one here. And I hand dipped it in glitter all the way around. And you could use different colored glitters if you want. And then these little flowers I got are called I think they're called cutouts. I got these at Party City just last week. Okay, and then these flowers are from Hobby Lobby, and this is from Hobby Lobby as well, this little embellishment. Then I just put some other little, you know, rhinestones here. I got these at Michael's, and that's what it looks like. And I think I got this from Joann's, this little happy sign. This is so pretty, huh? I made that one. I made this one. Isn't this gorgeous? Yeah, I used, you know, everything in my disposal from all different places. Michael's, Party City, Hobby Lobby. This is a paper from Prima. Beautiful. Right? Look at this one. I love this one. This is gorgeous. Some bows I got on clearance at Hobby Lobby. Put them to use. Okay, and I hand dipped all the sides in glitter, pink glitter. Okay, that's that batch. Then I have made this one. I just like these gold flowers. At first I thought they do look a little cheap, but when you put them with other things, they don't look so bad, I don't think. Okay, so that's beautiful. I think these letters right here are from the dollar store, if I'm not mistaken. But yeah, hand dipped that in glitter all the way around. And this is also a cupcake liner that I got at Hobby Lobby. So yeah, see that? So yeah, it's pretty. Look at this one, gorgeous. Oh, isn't that gorgeous? So some of these will also be going in friend mail, and a few may be actually going to my Etsy shop. It depends. I'm still making some, so we'll see. These might all just go to friend mail. And then I'll make some different ones that will just go just strictly to my shop, okay? But yeah, I just wanted to share them with you. And my strings. You know, there's always some strings laying around. So I like to go through everything before I send it to somebody just to make sure it looks good. But yeah, I hand dipped all that in glitter. Isn't that pretty? It's gorgeous, huh? And that's what the back looks like. Just simple, And I look at this one. Isn't this pretty? Yeah, it's gorgeous. Wow. I love that. The little leaves there. I cut these off of the garland, the vine. You know, you can actually cut those off and stick them in different places. And I did that on another one here. I'll show you. Oh yeah, like this one. Like this is Maggie Holmes, an ephemera piece. And I just cut the leaves out and put them behind the bird. And yeah, so hand dip that in glitter also. So if you have all these different glitters and you want to make, you know, some rosettes or whatever, that's a great way to do it. Get rid of some glitters and stuff. So that's one of my favorites. And it's the last one. Right? Rise above, as we should. That's beautiful. This is a really pretty little cutout I got from Party City. I got a bag of them for $2.99. So definitely want to check that out. You can check out my Party City video to see these, where, you know, what they look like in the bag. So, all right. All right. And that's it for my project share, guys. So I thank you for joining me here on this video. And make sure you hit like and subscribe. Okay. And make sure you share this video if you so choose, which I'd love for you to do. And you know what? I will catch you next time. Ciao.